Well, I'm going to go ahead and start tear down on my D16Y8 and remove the transmission. So first I'm going to start by game plan is take this whole, take the transmission off, remove the transmission, and we will get all the accessories off and try and tear down this engine down to block. So let's get the starter off.
Yeah, baby. Yeah. Yeah, baby. Yeah. Why don't you have a model for me, Mrs. Kensington?
You know how Mr. Kensington feels about that.
Oh, behave. Yeah. Yeah, baby. Yeah. Yeah, baby. Yeah. Yeah, baby. Yeah. Why don't you have a model for me, Mrs. Kensington?
You know how Mr. Kensington feels about that.
Oh, behave. Yeah. Yeah, baby. Yeah.
I got the transmission off, so this is going to get cleaned up. I'm going to clean this and paint it. Same thing with the block. I'm going to clean that and I'm going to paint it. I'm going to go with light colors. Something, I don't know, maybe I'm thinking GM orange. Maybe I'll do John Deere green or implement yellow. But either way, I'm thinking the block and the transmission are going to be light colors. That way we can detect any leaks visibly. It'll be easy to see, right? Valve cover,
Yeah,
still
baby.
undecided. It's all got to match too, though. It's got to match and look good. But basically, where we're at right now is we have the engine's going to get tore down tonight. We have another hour, so I'm going to keep going with that. I'm going to get the intake off, all the accessories off, get the head off. I'm going to get the head into the house, get the crank out. I want to get the crank out so I can at least get measurements and get everything. So I'm going to tear this motor down tonight. So let me keep going.
Yeah, baby. have a model for me, Mrs. Kensington?
You know how Mr. Kensington feels about that.
Oh, behave. Yeah. Yeah, baby. Yeah.